welcome to my channel, my Pastel Love. How you guys doing? I hope you're all well. Now today's video is going to be a little different, something that I've never done in my channel before. It's a perfume review slash, actually not a review, more like a first impression, because I got this perfume just yesterday and I'm so excited because I'm a big perfume fanatic. So I just wanted to come here and talk about the perfume because I'm super excited to share this perfume with you guys. And I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail and everything and you know which perfume I'm talking about. So let's quickly get into it. And after watching the video, just let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see more perfume videos, more perfume related videos. I can do that for you, like reviews and stuff like that. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get into it. And also please don't forget to subscribe because that's going to help me build my channel and it's going to just boost me up, you know what I mean. So yeah, let's get the party started. Okay, so I'm talking about this beautiful gift set right here. This is from Jean Paul Gaultier. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right because it's a French name, so you know पूरा वो हो जाता है, इनको pronounce करना बहुत ही difficult हो जाता है. But look at the packaging, you guys. This is like a gift box and inside this you have the beautiful perfume sitting right there, and with that you get another 10 ml travel size perfume. So this is the Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle perfume. It has such a gorgeous packaging, you guys. Such a nice gift if you want to give someone special. Like, it has this gold outer design and it has this pistachio color. And when you open it up, this is how it looks like. Stunning. It has like a velvet red inside. And you have the full-size perfume and the travel-size perfume sitting right here. Absolutely stunning packaging, and I'm super excited. This was in my wish list for so long. Like, I love watching perfume videos on YouTube and I have so many perfumes on my wish list, and this was one of them because it's a gourmand perfume and I love gourmand perfumes. So I'm first of all going to talk about the packaging first. Look at the packaging, so beautiful. Now this is like a lady's body, like a figure, R-class figure. Can you see it? Like 36, 24, 36 type of figure, and it has a little bit of bent at the back. Now this is quite heavy duty, you guys. Like, it's made out of like very nice glass and it's heavy duty, and you can understand this is expensive designer brand, so it just does justice because it looks so beautiful sitting on my vanity. And it also has this necklace, sort of like a gold necklace around it. Now this is a 100 ml bottle and I think you get a 30 ml or 50 ml, but only this was available on Nykaa. Like, only this gift box set was available on Nykaa, but this was actually it was more profitable to get this one than just get this separately because they have a 10 ml, because it comes with this 10 ml travel size thing. So I actually got 110 ml of the juice for rupees 7,500, but I actually did not pay 7,500. Recently, like 2-3 days back, Nykaa was having a sale on designer perfumes and I got this for 6,500, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I got like 1,000 rupees off, which I thought was a great deal because these perfumes are designer and expensive and on the higher end side. So watch out for the sale time if you want to grab one of these perfumes. Now it comes with this locking system which is very difficult to remove once you put it on. So it comes like this. So with a lot of difficulty I removed it, so I'm not going to put it on. Now let's just talk about the fragrance. So I'm just going to spray it. Okay, oh my god. At first it's very intense, you guys. It's an intense pear. You get an intense pear, spicy, little gingerly sort of fragrance at first when you spray it. And this, can you guys see, the spray is so brilliant. I hope you guys can see it. It's a very nice, beautiful fragrance, and you know, it's a little difficult to explain fragrances, but I'll try my best. So starting with the keynotes, It is a very simple perfume, it's not too complex. So the top note is a pear, the middle note is a bergamot, and the base note is vanilla. So it comes with these 3 ingredients only, but I kind of feel like they have some hidden ingredients because I can feel a sort of spiciness. So let me just spray it on my wrist. Okay, I can definitely smell the pear because that pear note comes very sharply, and definitely I can feel the bergamot as well. So the pear in this is actually not a very sweet juicy pear. It's more like a raw fresh green pear. That's what I hope I can explain you guys. It's more like a, it's not that overtly sweet thing. It is a sweet fragrance because it has vanilla in it, but it's not so sweet that it's going to give you a headache. And I can definitely feel some spiciness to it. It's more the vanilla also is very musky and dusky, if you know what I mean. It has a cloudy effect with a little bit of edge, and you can get the pear note sharp at first. Now the perfume completely changes after 15 minutes. The pear and the bergamot just fades away, and the sweetness of vanilla just kicks in, and that's the best part. I feel like it's a very sweet caramelized pear, if you know what I mean, but not overtly sweet. As I told you, it does not give me a headache. If you are someone who loves sweet gourmand type of fragrance, you are going to love this. It's a very evening, sexy, nighttime fragrance. It's definitely not a daytime because it's very strong and intense. And talking about the lasting part, oh my god, it lasts like forever. I swear, like I put this on yesterday and I could feel it today in my wrist. Like it was left with a very sweet light vanilla scent was left in today morning on my wrist, and on the cloth that I was wearing, it had the scent. You guys, I'm not even kidding you, it lasted 24 hours on me at least. So it definitely has a very long lasting performance, and the projection is also like moderate, not too much. But yeah, absolutely stunning nighttime sexy fragrance. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of compliment on this one because I think men are going to like this fragrance. So I think this is a very nice date night slash clubbing sort of fragrance. And first of all, the bomb, I can't just stop looking at the bottle. It's so super sexy. Now talking about the scent a little more, it has a very gingerly spiciness to it. Like at first it kicks in with the spice, and of course the pear is there, as I told you, like a raw green pear. And though they did not mention any spice, but I kind of feel like I'm getting a slightly cinnamony, gingerly sort of a scent at first. It is very like earthy and musky and not overtly sweet, though the sweetness kicks in later on, as I told you. And I kind of get a vibe that it has vetiver in it. I'm not too sure, but I think it, but they do not mention that it has vetiver in it, but it has that earthiness of vetiver, if you know what I mean. And this has more like a sour tanginess to it, not overtly citrusy but very earthy tangy, if you know what I mean. But it actually has bergamot. It could be the bergamot is giving that spiciness and that kick and that intensity and earthiness to the scent. To be very honest with you, when I first sniffed this, I was a little disappointed because I was not expecting, like in my head I had a very like sweet type of fragrance, because it is, whatever reviews and everything I saw, it was said that it's a sweet gourmand fragrance, but it is more like a raw green sort of pearish fragrance. So I was a little underwhelmed, but after some time, when this started to dry down, I realized how amazing and gorgeous this fragrance is, you guys. Like this fragrance, just, I know that if I know I'm going to use it a lot, and this is going to grow on me. Like it literally started growing on me, if you know what I mean. I'm not even kidding you guys. But this is definitely for females. It is not very unisex, but I'm sure if you get this, you are going to love it, and I know I'm going to use this a lot. And yeah, So yeah, I'm going to use this baby a lot, and I'm sure it's going to grow on me, and maybe I'll talk about this after 1 month or something like that, and let you guys know how I feel about this and how this grew on me and how did it perform and everything. Like, first impression and experience was good, long lasting and very sexy, sultry sort of a perfume. Like, look at the packaging. So if you are a girl or a woman who wants to be like sexy and give that vibe, definitely go for La Belle from John Paul Gaultier. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys want me to talk about more perfumes that I have in my collection, like which ones do I love and stuff like that, I can definitely do that for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.